sobrang haba yung tinanggal natin, no. Ayan, ayan, no. Hi guys, magandang umaga. Welcome ulit sa aking YouTube channel, Bilonta Channel. So, kakarating lang natin dito sa guys, sa post natin. So, hindi pa ako nakabihis ng aking uniforme. Kasi may lilinisin tayo. So, sana po ay tapusin yung video na ito guys, kasi exciting po ito. Yan, ipakita ko sa inyo guys yung lilinisin natin sa taas. Yung mayroong maraming perm na ditubo o tumutubo. Ano, kaptap. Yan. Baka masira yung natin na bubong. Baka hindi dumalo yung tubig ng ulan. Magkot pa siya ng sira ng baka masira yung kisame ng post natin, no. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo guys. O, yung taas. Yun, no. Yan, maraming berm. So, sayang sana tanggalin yun guys. Kaso baka masira yung daluyan ng tubig, no. O baka masira yung pisami dito sa baba. So baka tumagas yung tubig ng ulan. So tara guys, samahan niyo ako guys. Dito tayo dadaan sa kabila, no. Shout out pala sa sa Rams Vlogs, at saka shoutout din sa kay Arlene Vlog, sis ng aking wife. So dito tayo dadaan guys, no. Yan. So makikita natin doon sa taas guys, maraming naglulubuan na mga So kailangan nating tanggalin yan kasi baka masira yung bubong natin. So ano ko guys, hirap makit dito. So ingat lang tayo guys, no, kasi hirap makyat. Ano muna natin yung natin sisi. Shout out sa mga bago kong subscriber, no. So mag-ingat muna tayo kay baka malaglag yung CP natin, no.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Ito, sayang. Sayang ito. Gas. Kaya ito. Grabe oh, sayang oh. Tigas. Oh, ito yung ginagamit sa ano guys, kasal, birthday, mga okasyon. Sayang ito oh. Pero kailangan natin tagalin to. Baka, you know, hirap pagtanggal na no. Nandito tayo sa taas guys oh. Ang dami. So, kailangan na tanggalin ito. Baka sayang. Pero kailangan natin tanggalin ito guys kasi ano, kapag natin yung ano natin ito. Ito. Ayan. Ayan. Ano yan guys? Merong ano, itlog ng ano, snake, bitin. Yan o. Yan. Yan, snake na. Ano? Itlog ng bitin o snake. Yan o. So, mayroon palang snake na katira dito, no? Baka mamaya kita ko siya dyan guys. Oh, guys, oh. Dito siya. Natin dito itlog ng ano, snake. So mayroon palang nakatira snake dito sa taas. Oh, hirap pag ano dito no. So, baka may kasama kayo. Mahirap na, baka ano, bata kagatin tayo. Ano? So, sobrang tigas guys. Dito sa kabila. Pero may nakita tayo na ano, itlog ng bitin, no? Yan. Itlog ng bitin. So, lagay muna natin dito. Balikan natin mamaya. Dito pa guys, oh. Yan. Malaki na yung tawag sa Bisaya, hagunoy. Yan o. Magkasira ito na ano eh. Baka masira yung gutter natin ito. So kaya tinanggal ko no. Sayang dito sa baba oh. Marami dito sa baba guys. Sayang. Minsan na po kayo, wala akong cameraman eh. nakagilid eh. Kita ko sa inyo guys. Yan. Yan oh. Daming perm. So tanggalin natin yan guys, kasi pag hindi natin tanggalin yan, baka masira yung kisame natin din sa baba, or baka tirahan to ng ano, snake. So silap muna natin yung ano natin, no, camera. So tayo dalang ano, no, tali, hirap italian tong natin. So wala akong dalang pang tali, no. Ito na lang yung gagamitin natin, no. Ano ko ako rito. Kahit na hindi ito malaglag, no. Malaglag ito mamaya. Tatay. Sit up ko muna yung camera ko guys. Wait lang muna saglit. Kailangan natin tanggalin yan eh. So dyan lang muna natin lagay guys. Hirap ito. Baka mayroon, ingat lang tayo guys, kasi baka mayroon ano dito. Sayang oh, sayang. Pwede na sana ito pang design, no.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Sabi yung ano niya guys, oh. Oh. Yan. Yan oh. Yan. Pag hindi ito tanggalin guys, yan o, tanggalin. Pag hindi ito tanggalin, sus, nako, magkatiran to ng ano no, snake. Oh, buhay talaga to guys. Oh, sobrang haba ng ano guys. Ugat niya, sobrang haba. Hirap. Iwan ko muna yung kamera ko dito guys. Hirap. Sobrang hirap. Grabe. Berhaba. Sobrang haba. Grabe guys, sobrang hirap. Yan guys, oh. Yan, oh. Yan. Oh. Haba. Sobrang haba ng ugat niya guys. Sobrang haba ng ugat. Oh. Yung ugat niya guys, oh. Haba. Hey, sinsya. Sobrang taas pa naman ito. Buwis buhay talaga to guys. Yan. Yan guys. Grabe yung pagod ko guys. So merong natira dito guys, kunti lang merong tira dito. Yan, no? So maybe next week siguro yan. Idol. So, saglit lang. Dito na tayo sa baba, sa wakas guys. Pasok tayo sa loob. Grabe, dami kong pawis doon ah. Ayan. Ito yung tinanggal natin sa taas, no? Kita ko nyo guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ito pa. Haba talaga to guys. Yan. Yan. Yan, makikita natin guys. Sobrang haba yung tinanggal natin, no? Ayan. Ayan, no? So, maraming salamat sa panonood guys. Please paki-like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Bilonta Channel. Woo! At saka paki-click yung notification bell para updated po kayo palagi sa mga bago kong vlog na i-upload. So, see you next vlog guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.